today we are making super simple refrigerator dill pickles. Wait till you see how simple this is. Okay, are you ready? Good morning, it's Linda. We are going to make some refrigerator pickles. Wait till you see how simple this is. So I need, first of all, you need pickled cucumbers, which you can get from your farmer's market, your grocery store, and wash them real good, which I have. And then I'm going to use a mandolin and slice them up. Be so careful with the mandolin. It cuts so quick. I am using the thick slice side of a mandolin. So this is what they're going to look like, little bite-sized pieces. So can I tell you how much it already smells so good? It's kind of crazy. This has been on my list to get done before these pickles, these cucumbers for pickles are not available anymore. I don't want to make them if they're out of season, then they won't taste as good. Watch your fingers. It does have a little tool that you put on the top of the item that you're slicing, which I should have out and I should be using. Because boy, if I ever slice myself on this thing, it's so sharp. It's crazy sharp. Be extra careful. So this is what we've got. Look at all our little pickles, soon to be pickles. So what I'm going to do is fill up the jar. Can you see my mason jar? I suppose you can use any jar that you want. You're going to fill it right up. I'm going to do some more. Actually, I think I'll save those for the second jar. I don't want to have one full jar and then one barely any in it jar. So let's do one more of these. Then what you need is some garlic, fresh garlic, and some fresh dill. And you need vinegar, white vinegar. Okay, so we've got our jar full. Now what we're going to do is add some sliced garlic. And really and truly, you can put as much garlic on here that you want. You can add other things. Like you can add, if you want it spicy pickles, add some jalapeno. Add some hot pepper sauce. No, hot pepper flakes, not sauce. Don't add sauce. So we're going to throw some garlic in there. This is just 2 pieces of garlic that I've chopped up. Now you need your dill. And really, this is all you have to do. Put it right in there. And then we're going to need a half a cup of white vinegar. And that's not a lot of vinegar, but what happens is the moisture from the cucumber also comes out. And you'll see there's a half a cup of vinegar. So now all I'm going to do, put my lid on. I'm going to shake it up. Look at that. Now the juices from the cucumber are going to mix in with the vinegar, and the vinegar's going to pickle the cucumbers into refrigerator pickles. That is it. That's all you have to do. Put it in your fridge, give it 2-3 days, but each day, give it a little shake. Get the flavors going through. Try it at the end of 3 days. You're gonna be so glad you made your very own homemade dill pickles. This is Linda from Homestead by the Lake. Thank you so much for watching my video.